Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you exactly why the Debutify's AI-powered Shopify theme is the only one theme you should be switching to as of right now, guys. Today, okay? This is the number one theme you should be using if you are number one, a Shopify e-commerce brand owner. Number two, if you're a job shipper or you are just getting into job shipping and you need that mobile optimized and super fast Shopify theme that can skyrocket your average order value and 10x your conversion rates easily. And exactly how and why, I'm gonna tell you and show you in a bit, guys. So make sure to stick around. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it right away. So obviously the biggest reason is that it comes with a AI store builder, okay? And it's not some, wanky AI store builder that generates copy pasted AI stores like everybody else has, okay? So it's not gonna generate generic Shopify theme. It's actually gonna take its time and choose the right one based on the prompt that you provide, okay? So right here, it's super easy, guys. If you don't know what is prompt, I guarantee you know what prompt is already, guys, even if you think you don't. Essentially, prompt is something, a request or a text that you send to AI model, like you do with ChatGPT every day, guys. I guarantee you already done that. So when you go to ChatGPT and ask something or send something to ChatGPT, that's a prompt. And that's exactly how the AI Store Builder works, okay? All you do, you just click on start with the prompt and describe the store that you want to build, okay? For example, please build a pet store that sells pet accessories, okay? For example, I'm gonna say please because I'm one of those people who thinks if just in case AI becomes aware and becomes its own thing, I'm gonna be on the good side just in case, guys. All right. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say, please build a pet store that sells pet accessories, please. Okay. So I'm gonna put exclamation mark and let's send that to the AI, guys, and let's see how fast it actually does its thing, guys. Okay. I'm not gonna put you on pause. I'm not gonna cut anything, guys. Like we are at 40%, almost 50%. So this has been like not even 10 seconds, guys. And the store is already, guys, below 20 seconds. And just like that, you have a AI-powered Shopify theme generated. Okay, it's crazy. It's crazy. Awesome. So next thing that you need to do, you're gonna click on continue. Okay, and then the way you get it, you're gonna click on get your theme now. Okay, and it's gonna send you an email that you created your Debutify account with. Let me just show you quickly. So here I went to my email and here it is. Click to download your theme. That's the email you're gonna be getting, and you're gonna click on it and it's gonna give you a zip file right here in your downloads, okay? And what you're gonna do with that, you're gonna go to your Shopify, guys. Right here, there's gonna be your Shopify admin, and you're gonna click on add theme, and then you're gonna click on upload zip file, and then we're gonna choose the file which is downloaded, guys. Let me just drag and drop this from my other screen like this, and let's select the right file and open and upload file, guys, and that's as easy as it is. Give it maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, it's gonna install and you're gonna have your AI powered Shopify theme from Debutify, guys. All right, and guys, while it's installing and doing its thing, you can actually get number one Shopify for only $1 for the next 3 months, guys. Okay, and I will be including these links below the video, so go check them out and grab those links. So you're gonna get a Shopify for $1 for the next 3 months, and also you can claim Debutify for a limited time offer, guys. You can get it for only $1 for the next 30 days. Okay, so you will be able to test drive the enterprise plan, which includes essentially every single tool that comes with Debutify. Okay, and essentially you have all the AI tools. You have also something called widgets, guys. Okay, I haven't covered yet the widgets, but widgets is actually an insane future of Debutify AI theme, guys. Okay, and essentially widgets, you can also call them Shopify apps, guys. So if you use different Shopify apps like quantity bakes, announcement bars, and that type of stuff, guys, so essentially those are widgets or AKA Shopify apps. All right, so with Debutify, you have roughly 90 of those included with the theme. Okay, and all of them are native to the theme's code. Okay, in basic terms, that means that it won't be slowing down your Debutify theme at all. Okay, it's going to be running super fast. There's going to be no problems if you are running it with 10 widgets, 20 widgets, 30 widgets, or you can blast and run all the 90 widgets. It's still going to run as fast as you would be running the whole thing without a single widget, guys. And that is awesome. And actually pretty crazy. And I'm going to show you all the widgets you have access to just in a second to Shopify's theme customizer, okay? And as well, if you want to actually see how the theme looks like before installing that or generating, the style or the niche of the theme for your brand or Shopify store, guys, you can go here just under the template library and click on all templates. Okay, and you're gonna see essentially all the available demos for each of the niche templates. Okay, so here you have default on fashion, pets, beauty, footwear, jewelry, and a bunch of other demos, guys. All you do, just click on the one that you want to see. For example, let's check out the default one. Okay, the default one I think has been switched to a fashion store. So let's check out this one, guys. So just look at that. We have super nice scrolling banners. We have really nice and crisp looking hero section, really nicely styled CTA buttons, guys. We have the collections here, okay, and we have more best-selling collection sections here, guys, okay, and everything can be changed in a modular way, in a sense that you can literally customize every single section, block, and element within the theme, guys. And look how nice and smooth it is, guys, okay? This looks like any other fashion big brand out there, guys, in terms of style and layout, guys. And you can get this entire template just like that or generate that with AI, and you're gonna have the exact same feel and style to it, guys, okay? And if I, for example, check out on a mobile, guys, just look how nice it actually looks, guys, okay? Just look at that. It's perfectly optimized for mobiles because, as we know, 80% of e-commerce traffic when you have a Shopify store will be coming most of the times, guys. At least 80% of that will be coming from mobile devices. So it's really important to choose a theme like the Debutify that is out of the box optimized for mobile devices, all right? Okay, so let's go back to my Shopify admin. I see that the pets theme was installed, the one we generated through AI to the store builder. Let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Okay, so this is literally a default template in a sense that I haven't really modified or changed anything yet. Okay, so I have some pre-generated images with AI. So the sections and layout, guys, everything is ready to go for you. All you need to do really just plug and play. If you want to change the images, the products, and you can launch your store just like that. Okay, and again, if you're seeing this type of error, it just essentially means that the widget or the Shopify app that comes with the Debutify theme is disabled. Your customers wouldn't see that. It's just for you to let you know that the widget is disabled, okay? All right, so I essentially toggled all of the widgets, guys, on so you can kind of see how they look because some of them were disabled. And here, for example, I have upsell pop-up, okay? The way you enable disable widget is super simple, guys. You're gonna essentially go to settings right here, and then the widgets are broken down into a few sections. So we have a free widgets. Okay, those are the ones that essentially come with your free plan. Okay, we have quite a good amount. We're quite generous with the free widgets here, guys. Okay, then we have paid widgets. And the way you enable and disable them, all you essentially do, you're just gonna toggle it off like this, and the widget will be disabled. Okay, just like that, guys. You don't need to go outside your Shopify to a third-party app, play with the settings, and then go back to your theme editor and do everything from there, guys. Everything is handled inside the theme, guys, just like that. Saves you time and money down the road, and I mean thousands of dollars, because you will need a lot of Shopify apps if you're building a serious brand or dropshipping brand down the road. Okay, cool, guys, and let me show you how easy it is and how cool it is to customize these sections in Debutify. So here I am on the main homepage, okay, and let's, for example, click on the image banner, guys. Get right here. So each of these are sections. In each section has a block, and all of them can be easily customized any way that you want. Okay, so each block has its own options and settings, and each of the blocks can be customized literally the way you want it. The colors, the text, the padding, the margins, guys. You don't need to be developer, guys. Literally just open any of the blocks and look at all the settings here we have. Okay, so here, top padding, you can just, for example, I want it small, and it's going to change the padding on the top, okay? Or if I want to make the, for example, padding bigger in a custom way, I'm going to choose custom option here. And then I'm going to, for example, make it bigger. And here you guys are going to see, boom, it added a lot of padding to the text description without adjusting any other, part of the hero section, which is really cool, because the problem with Shopify themes, you change one thing, any change bunch of other things at the same time. So it's not a problem with the Debutify because you can literally modularly adjust every single section and block in its own way without impacting any other elements of the theme, guys. Okay, and just look at that, how many sections you actually have as option, guys. Okay, just look at all these, guys. Okay, you can add them as easily, drag and drop the way you want it. It's a breeze to work with this theme, I promise. All right, I don't know if I showed you guys or no, but as I said, it comes roughly with 90 widgets or Shopify apps built in with the theme, guys, and you can see all of them here. Okay, so the paid widgets here, just look at that. I'm gonna scroll slowly, guys. Just look at all of these ones. Okay, and this is not the end. Just keep watching the screen, guys. Just look at that. All of these are coming with your Debutify AI powered Shopify theme. Look, guys, I keep going. Okay, then we have sections. Okay, guys, and sections also are part of the widgets, guys. Look at that. More. These are all free ones, guys. So you get quite good, decent amount of free sections as well. Your free plan if you don't want to go with the paid plan, guys. But again, I have a good offer for you guys as well for the first month for the Debutify AI powered Shopify theme, guys. So hold on, I'll let you know just in a second. And just look at all these ones as well, guys. Like, it's crazy. The amount of the widgets in this theme is absolutely insane, guys. And I'm telling you, that's going to save you so much money down the road. And here we're looking at the product page, and out of the box, it looks super nice, guys. Okay, gonna have some, demo product and stuff like that, guys. Obviously, the content is not my focus because I'm literally playing around with a default out of the box theme template, okay, that we got from AI Store Builder, okay. And just look at that, okay. Even with all of that, it formats everything nicely. You have the bundles, all the images, okay. Here it presets some sections, and here you can also put the bundles here. You have you may also like the slider, okay, pretty standard, guys, and pretty awesome to have, and also recently viewed, guys. So essentially, pretty much all the standard functionalities and sections that you would need to have for an e-commerce store, it already comes for you pre-built, so you don't need to spend hours picking which section to add. All you need to do is just literally plug and play the images and the assets and products, and you are good to go, which is really cool part about the Debutify theme, guys. And if you're a dropshipper, I have really good news for you as well, guys. Okay, so if you're a dropshipper, this is gonna blow your mind, guys. Okay, so what you're gonna do first, obviously create an account with the Debutify so you can actually see it for yourself and play around with all this cool stuff that you got here. Okay, so once you do, go to the main dashboard right here, and then you're gonna essentially find something that is called I saw just a second ago, okay, something called Product Research Center right here, guys. Okay, so once you click on it, you're essentially seeing the top selling dropshipping products that are currently trending, and data is coming live dynamically from AliExpress. Okay, so these products are selling really good based on the social media trends and other data sets and data points. Okay, guys, and you have access for all of that within the Debutify theme. Okay, you don't need to use any other like special like tools like Zik Analytics or Minea or Sell the Trend, okay, whatever. All of this you have built in here, guys. Okay, so if you're a dropshipper, like, this is really cool to have for you because you know exactly which are the trending products and which products you can start A/B testing with right away. And if you have AutoDS, essentially AutoDS is a dropshipping fulfillment platform fully powered by AI. Okay, so you don't touch a single finger of yours, okay, to fulfill and place the order. Everything is handled through AutoDS, guys. Okay, I'm not going to be talking about AutoDS. We have other videos on how to set up AutoDS and dropshipping, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, enable notifications, and check out all the other videos that we have on dropshipping as well, guys. Okay, and if you do, you can just directly import it into your AutoDS from here, guys, which is pretty cool. And guys, don't forget about the super exclusive offers, guys. You can get Shopify for only $1 for the next 3 months, guys. Okay, just go to debutify.com, or I'll also include all the links below the video, so make sure to check them out. There's gonna be a link to get your Shopify for only $1 for the next 3 months, guys. Okay, and as a bonus, you can even get Debutify for the next 30 days for only $1. Okay, and this will give you access to essentially everything that you see here, okay, without limits, nothing, guys. You can literally test drive the entire thing, build your store for only $1 a month, guys. Okay, and once your trial expires, guys, there's a lot of options based on where you are in your dropshipping or e-commerce journey, guys. There are plans that fit anybody's business needs and current business situation, guys. Okay, so don't worry, just check out the plans or again reach out to our customer service. We're gonna be more than happy to accommodate your current situation, guys. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So once you have your Shopify and you have a Shopify theme and you built your store with AI Builder from the Debutify guys, you have one more thing missing, which is a domain, okay? And if you went with the Debutify, created an account and did all of that, guys, congrats first of all. And second of all, I have the final bonus gift for you guys, okay, for this video. Essentially, you can claim your .store domain for free, okay? And when I say free, guys, I mean absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single dollar for a whole year, okay? We know how important it is to have a nice professional branded domain, guys, okay? And here you get a .store domain for absolutely free. And that store domain is used by people like Mr. Beast, guys. So if you go to MrBeast.store, essentially this is the domain.store. You can get the same one. It's going to be something like your brand.store or whatever, my store .store, okay? Whatever the brand you guys, brand name you chose, guys, is going to be that one, and it's going to be .store, and you can claim all of that for 100% free, guys. So make sure that you don't miss out on this offer. I'm not sure how long it's going to be here. So create an account with the Debutify, and then on the main dashboard, just look for the section that says get your free .store domain. Enter the domain that you want to get if it's available. The full setup is fully automated. You don't need to do anything. You're just going to click continue, and it's going to set up everything for you and provide any instructions that you need to plug and play that into your Shopify for the domains, guys. All right. Okay, and that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you did enjoy the video, and I hope you got a chance to try the Debutify's AI-powered Shopify theme and also their AI store builder, guys. Okay, if you did, let me know down in the comments your feedback. I would love to hear it, guys. If there's something, again, let us know, and we're gonna definitely fix it or address it if you found something and you think it needs an improvement, guys. Okay, we're always listening and we always want to improve, so your opinion is super important to us. Okay, guys. And if you did enjoy the video, as always, guys, like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all of these demos right here, guys. Okay, so you don't even need to go ahead and create an account right away. Just go to debutify.com, guys, /demo, or just go to debutify.com, guys, and then click on demo and just go through all these templates. You can actually see them in live and play around with them and see how they feel on a desktop and mobile. And if you love what you're seeing, guys, don't forget to create an account here. There's a huge button saying try for a dollar for 30 days, guys. So if you're happy with what you're seeing, go ahead and create that trial account for only $1 for the next 30 days, guys, and start building that store. I guarantee you guys, you won't regret this. Okay, guys? And as always, I'm gonna see you next time.